What's up, peeps? Let's get into some cryptocurrency news. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research. Alright, guys. Today is January 5th. And you know what we're going to do? We are going to get this crypto money and make these gains for 2022. Now, looking at the Bitcoin chart and looking at the prices of all the altcoins, guys, right here I have Coinmarketcap on my screen. Things are moving boring, things are moving sideways, but guess what? Times like these are when the men are separated from the boys and the girls are separated from the woman. This is where wealth is built. This is where the massive gains are made. Times like this, when crypto is boring, there's no hype around it, things are moving sideways, that is the best time to accumulate. Everything is at a discount. You buy some, you get your paycheck, put a little something in there, cut back on your daily expenses, put a little something in your favorite project. And guys, whether we're in a bear market, whether things continue to move sideways for the next couple months, 6 months, the next year, guys, eventually we know that crypto will come back and massive gains will be made. All right. So today, the coin that we will talk about is a coin called Wagyuswap. So what exactly is Wagyuswap? Wagyuswap is the first and revolutionary DEX available of the fastest blockchain Velas network. It acts as a nascent ecosystem and the most delicate cut of decentralized trading platform, loaded with many new projects. The token is based on the Solana codebase and it is EVM compatible, powered by AI technology to support the cross-chain transfers of all significant tokens on the market. So who are the founders of the WAG token? So basically the founders are anonymous, but guys, it is an incubator of Bluezilla. So Bluezilla incubated this project. Now I'm sure you're wondering, what exactly does an incubator mean? When you Google the definition of incubator, simply put, crypto incubators are companies that search for potential successful projects and give them a helping hand through the critical stages of their development. Services that an incubator provides can range from funding, marketing, advising, strategy, community building, and more. So pretty much Bluezilla invested in this project, helping develop it. They invested financially in this project, and they will make a return as this project continues to grow. They are an incubator and have done this for other crypto projects. So this article actually breaks down more so the tokenomics. So right here, 43% for staking, 10% for the team, 10% goes to the liquidity pool, 6% for reserve, etc. So I will put a link to this article and everything that we discuss. And guys, let us continue. So as the article mentioned, Waggy is a DEX. So some of you guys probably not know what a DEX means. A decentralized exchange, or DEX, is a peer-to-peer marketplace where transactions occur directly between crypto traders. DEXs fulfill one of crypto's core possibilities: fostering financial transactions that aren't officiated by banks, brokers, or any other intermediary. Many popular DEX like Uniswap and Sushiswap run on the Ethereum blockchain. So I'm sure some of you guys have heard and used Uniswap and Sushiswap. So pretty much that is what Wagyuswap is like. Get it? Swap. Wagyuswap. So this is also an article. I'm not going to go through it, but it was actually back on December 11th, 2021. It's basically talking about that Wagyuswap had a coin burn. So it says, just 8 days after Wagyuswap, the world's fastest and cheapest decentralized exchange built on the Velas network, announced the Great Stake event, the team announced yet another periodic token burn initiative of 30 million of the platform's native WAG token. So this goes more into details about the token burn. So as you can see, they already had a token burn back in November where they burned 2 million WAG tokens. So some of you guys probably not know what a token burn is. So when you Google the definition of a token burn, coin burning happens when a cryptocurrency token is initially sent to unusable wallet address to remove it from circulation. The address, which is called a burn address or ether address, can't be accessed or assigned to anyone. Once a token is sent to the burn address, it's gone forever. So things like this are done to help with marketing, helping promote the project. Whenever people hear about a token burn, they get excited because ultimately this drives the value of the project. Think about it. Supply and demand. Token burn. You are burning the supply that you have. So there is less amount available. But when the demand is high, what does that happen? People that currently have the token, the value increases. So that is exactly what token burns are and how they benefit. So more about Bluezilla. So this is their website. So you can see right here, you click on about. Bluezilla is an exclusive incubator behind the record-breaking BSC pad, Tron pad, ETH pad, KCC pad, NFT launch, ADA pad, Velas pad, and Game Zone. So Bluezilla, we specialize in taking your innovative idea from concept all the way through launch using our expertise in market leading advisory, investment development, influencer marketing, and legal support services. We are the only VC, which means venture capital, with in-house developers, designers, marketers, influencers, traders, legal, and launch pads. So that is what Bluezilla is, and you guys can actually check out some projects that they have. So they have incubated these projects right here. So as you can see, they have Wagyuswap listed right here. Now, when you come to Coinmarketcap, currently Wagyuswap is ranked at number 736. It is on 775,900 people's watch list. There are a lot of eyes on this project. Current price is at 54 cents and has been up 13.58 in the past 24 hours. Volume is at 770,000. Market cap is at 29.5 million. Circulating supply is at 54.1 million, and most importantly, this is all verified data. Now when you scroll down to CoinMarketCap and you look at the all-time high, they have the wrong all-time high. Maybe that was a large purchase that was made, but looking at the chart right here, the all-time high was actually at $2.53 back on November 4th, 2021. But either way, guys, as you can see, along with every single, I'm not gonna say every, but majority of altcoins, as you can see, when you look at the charts around November, they started dipping. There was no Santa rally. I don't know what happened to Santa. Can we get him back? But guys, this is how you make the money. We already seen that price was at roughly around $2.10. Right now it's at 54 cents. Do the math on that. Now let's continue. So this is the current exchanges that it's on right now. You can buy it through Uniswap, Gate.io, PancakeSwap, BKX. And guys, right here, this is the BSC scan. So currently 22,301 addresses currently have this project. And when you look at the Ether scan, there are currently 890 addresses, wallets that currently have this project. Yes, some of them are exchanges, but a vast majority are hodlers that currently have this project. And when you look at some of the top projects that have been incubated by Bluezilla, so these are some other projects. As you can see, some of them you guys may have never heard of. So these projects have been incubated by Bluezilla, like I showed you guys earlier. When you come to their website, this is their website. So as soon as you come, you can see that it allows you to swap your coins. So DEX is open, you have stake, DEX is open, swap, lottery is open. So you have the lottery right here. So you continue through the website. As you can see, a revolutionary DEX on the Velas network, incubated by Bluezilla. So these are some of the partners. This goes into details about the tokenomics and how the tokens are allocated. And also, guys, when you come to the website, this is the lottery. So you could buy some tickets and get a chance to enter this lotto. So there are 2 hours and 31 minutes. By the time this video has been uploaded, the draw will have already happened, but the prize pot is $2,238. So it's roughly worth 4,305 WAG tokens. So that is always cool, having little lotteries. That gets people's attention and makes them even more invested in the projects to be able to make some free extra money. Who wouldn't want that? Now, this is their audit report. So this is the audit report. So scrolling down, as you can see, audit findings summary. No security issues from outside attackers were identified. Ensure trust in the team as they can migrate user staked funds. Date September 28, 2021. So these are some of the results. As you can see, they passed pretty much everything. I will put a link to it. You guys can go into more details about that. And guys, whenever you're investing in a project, especially a new up and coming project like this, always check out the social media, because that is where you get the latest info about new exchange listings, latest developments. Check out the Reddit, Telegram, Discord, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Google projects. Check out their LinkedIn. Now, right here is their Twitter page. So they currently have 75,000.9 followers. So these are all the followers, as you can see. This is some of their tweets. So fairly active on Twitter. So guys, like I mentioned, this was an announcement about a trading competition that they had on Gay.io. This was the prize pool. This was back on December 31st, and it was going to end 2 days, January 7th, 2022. So overall, guys, things look good. Now this is their Reddit page, currently 360 members. Always check out the Reddit page, because you can go there to ask questions. This is the community. These are the hodlers. These are the fans of the project. It's not a big community, but keep in mind, this is an up and coming project. So as more word spreads about this project, it gets listed on more exchanges. It gets more attention and attracts more investors. The amount of members of the Reddit page will grow even more. So always check out the Reddit page, because guys, you can also find latest updates that you're not going to find on Twitter. So make sure to do that. Now, let's do some technical analysis. So looking at the chart, we are looking at the Gate.io chart, the daily chart. So as you can see, once you got listed on Gate.io, it's very common whenever a project gets listed on new exchanges, prices pump. So as you see, prices pump, but there's a massive sell-off. It kind of found a level of support. It broke down. So the purple line is just levels of support and resistance. So it went down. But you can notice that throughout November and December, a lot of altcoins were dipping. And the beginning of December, what ended up happening? Bitcoin crash. Santa disappointed everyone. Santa got lost. So the price of WAG and a lot of other projects dipped too. So price went down, started moving sideways, finding level of support. But when you look at the yellow line, which is the trend line, you can see that from December 22nd, it started building momentum and started going up in an upward trend. It's looking like it's trying to break that 0.54 cents level resistance. But guys, overall, a big reason why price dropped is because of Bitcoin. There's no momentum. People don't care about the markets right now, but that is where wealth is built. Whether it's this project or whatever project, when you're interested in a project, this is the time to accumulate when prices are cheap. As you see, prices starting to go up. So you would have almost doubled your money if you had got in back in December 21st. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not saying you have to do this, but you could have made some good gains. So, but when you're looking at the chart and looking left, you can see that there's a lot more room to go. And as the year progresses and more momentum comes back into the market, prices will pick back up and it will break these levels of resistance. Now, Waggy has a market cap of 29 million. That means it's a small market cap. It has a lot more room to grow, and it's currently ranked at number 736. So let's say things go good throughout 2022. It gets listed on more exchanges. Momentum comes back into the market. A $500 million market cap is very possible. Even a $1 billion market cap is very possible. That is not unachievable. So let's be conservative. Let's say that you were to invest, and right now, not financial advice, not saying you have to do it, all right, but say you are interested in this project and it hits a $500 billion market cap. So that would be essentially 17x. So 17.24 times 100, that would be 1,724. Let's say it hits a $1 billion market cap. A $1 billion market cap divided by 29.5, that would be 33.89x from here. So with a $100 investment, you would stand to make around 3,389. Now, this is not financial advice, not saying you have to invest, but guys, that is very realistic. For a project like this, you've seen the performance of Sushiswap, Uniswap. I'm not saying this is the next Uniswap and Sushiswap, but so far the things that we've seen behind this project, they have a venture capital incubator that invests in crypto projects and helps them grow behind it. So they have a lot of strong interest behind it. This project looks like it has a bright future ahead of it. I'm not saying that it's going to hit a $1 billion market cap, but anything is possible in crypto. It can definitely surpass a $1 billion market cap. That is actually small. And as more money flows into crypto, a $10 billion market cap, $5 billion market cap, even a $20 billion market cap is very possible. Because as more money flows into crypto, right now, a $1 billion market cap is considered a lot. In the next few years, that is going to be considered small. So guys, this project looks like it has strong potential. We've seen the performance of DEX exchanges, DEX projects throughout 2021. And this project is a DEX project and looks like it has strong potential behind it. And with that being said, guys, I am out.